History has proven that logistical support is a cornerstone of and amongst the decisive elements in a military operation's success or conversely, its failure. Logistics involves the process of requisitioning, production, distribution, movement, deployment and redeployment of material. It is concurrent with the characteristics of conventional warfare with emphasis on the push-forward concept or the forwarding of necessities to the units at forward locations. The Fleet Supply Depot is the new name assigned to the Central Naval Logistic Depot since the Royal Malaysian Navy's reorganization as of 1st March 1996. The Central Naval Logistic Depot was officiated by the Deputy Defence Minister then Yang Berhormat Datuk Abang Abu Bakar bin Datuk Abang Haji Mustafa on the 3rd of April 1985. The Fleet Supply Depot had seen several changes of commanding officers who planned and developed the depot towards providing the world-class logistic support to the Royal Malaysian Navy. To realize the above-mentioned intent, the FSD envisages becoming an organization that is both sensitive and responsive to logistics requirements in securing the fleet excellence. Hence, the depot's mission is to manage all requirements of logistics support for the fleet efficiently and effectively in shouldering strategic interests and ensuring that the Royal Malaysian Navy vessel's readiness is at a constant high. The FSD's organization was tailored to the Royal Malaysian Navy's general restructuring, where the functions of the Central Naval Logistic Depot (CNLD) and the Fleet Supply and Support Unit (FSSU) were combined to form the Fleet Supply Depot. The FSD is divided into three main divisions, which are the Administrative and Support Division, the Inventory Control Division, and the Material Control Division. The Administrative and Support Division is responsible to the entire depot while supporting the other divisions in terms of human resource management, transportation, coordinating spare part delivery and financing. The Inventory Control Division is responsible for inventory management, including inventory accounting, demand coordination and control, quality control and preservation. The Material Management Division is subdivided into three departments, namely Material Control 1, 2 and 3. This division is responsible for material management in terms of spare parts procurement, provisioning and contract management. The depot main function is to provide material support to the Royal Malaysian Navy's fleet, specializing in its core activities, which are spare parts procurement, annual expenditure planning and control, spare parts contract management, as well as spare parts purchasing management. Apart from purchases through contractual agreements, spare parts are also acquired through local purchases, emergency purchases, and foreign military sales from foreign suppliers. This depot is also responsible for the receipt and inspection of spare parts, storage, spares issuance and delivery, cataloging services, preservation, stock taking and write-off of spares that are beyond economical repair. With its high value turnover, the Fleet Supply Depot is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to enable swift, effective and efficient service rendering. Information technology is a main application used as an enabler to improve and increase the FSD's capability in providing world-class logistic support to the fleet. As the main organization for the Royal Malaysian Navy Fleet's spares supply, this depot is a ceaselessly hive of procurement, storage and supply of spares and goods for the Royal Malaysian Navy's fleet operations. Since its inception, the depot was manually driven until the Automated Storage and Retrieval System (ASRS) was introduced in 2003 in line with the government's call to implement the e-government. The ASRS is a modern storage system or warehouse constructed for the betterment of the depot. Its construction commenced on the 10th of February 2003. The project was coordinated by Agatis Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, which was responsible for the design, supply, delivery, installation, testing and commissioning of the ASRS and its building for the Royal Malaysian Navy. Its building, with modern design and features, was completed and accepted by the Royal Malaysian Navy on 29 September 2004, whilst the computer system, which monitored the warehouse operations and inventory management at the Fleet Supply Depot, namely Warehouse Management System 2000, became fully operational on the 1st of January 2005. The 150 meters long, 40 meters wide and 30 meters high building is the pride of the Royal Malaysian Navy. It is equipped with an efficient security system such as an entry access system which records personnel movement and prevents non-authorized individuals from entering the ASRS. Around-the-clock, closed-circuit television cameras feed the central security system for the buildings and its surrounding, monitoring and surveillance. The ASRS building is provided with administrative offices and officers' chambers which create an environment that is conducive for the staff's daily work routine. Two servers with an integrated human-machine interface terminal monitor the crane status and movement as well as other ASRS equipments. Amongst the activities conducted by the ASRS are loading and unloading goods received or to be delivered, quality inspection by technical advisors, receipt and issuance of goods as well as packaging. These activities are accomplished in the forklift circulation area by means of platform trucks, forklifts, packaging machines and sanitizing equipments. The ASRS is equipped with 190,800 plastic bins with 10 cranes and 5,070 pallets with 3 cranes. The bean cranes have a load capacity of 50 kg, whereas the pallet crane has a load capacity of 1,000 kg and requires only 90 seconds to complete a work cycle. With a swift, efficient system, the ASRS is now becoming the backbone which supports the Royal Malaysian Navy's fleet in achieving their missions of defending the sovereignty of the nation. There are some benefits and advantages from the ASRS, such as quick and efficient work process, better performance in the management of inventories, stores and inventories are well protected, minimal workforce, optimum space control of inventories keep, supply of inventories maintain its quality and punctuality, maximum control and supervision on all inventories, easy access on stocks maintenance, easy applications for stock checking, less paperwork, and the implementation of first in, first out concept of FIFO. In order to generate an excellent service, the Fleet Supply Depot's management concept centers on total quality management as determined by the Royal Malaysian Navy since 1996. With the estimated expenditure of 600 million Malaysian ringgit, the FSD is responsible for realizing the fleet's readiness state at 70% and channeling logistic support as stated in the standard operating procedure. Commitment and dedication from the undertaken oath of the Fleet Supply Depot is generating its excellence in service. After facing many challenges since its establishment, the Royal Malaysian Navy's Fleet Supply Depot is ready to revolutionize the fleet's future in preserving its mobility and building a balanced maritime force. Depo Bekalan Armada Tentera Laut Diraja Malaysia sedia berkorban.